I've been a busy kid, so what I'm going to show you today is my fidget spinners, but they're rare. So, before we get started, like and subscribe, turn up notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Now let's begin. So, I call this one the SpongeBob because all of that, and then it looks like the SpongeBob, and on the back, it looks the same. But at the end of the video, we're going to spin all of them. And then I call this one the alien. This one I got with my friend. This is what it does. It bounces a lot, so that's why I try to keep it slowly on my finger. It's very, very fragile. And this one I call the bulbs. And this one I call the knife because it's very sharpy right there. And I call this one the cheese. I love this one. This one I got at the fair. Actually, we need it like a little more down because we're going to do something at the end of the video. And I call this one the circle spinner because it's open. Like a circle. And then this I call it the money. It's very hard to spin with. It broke a little. So this one we're not going to have in the video today, but I just wanted to show you it. But my mom can fix it right now. Maybe it'll work. So this one was broke. I found a long time ago because I found it under my bed for a long time.
What's that one called?
I call it the roller coaster. Doesn't spin that good, but we'll see it'll work. We don't have a top for that. This one I have a lot, but these are rare instead. And this one I love. Just spin your finger. It doesn't stop. And then this one, there's 3 of them, and this one I call it the gears. This is what you're supposed to do. So you take 2 of the fingers and you just like go like this, and that's what it looks like. And then that one stops. So it goes that way, and then the gears go that way. So now I'm going to show you this one that broke. This one broke too. It's just like the other one. But we just need to screw it up. This one does work. And then look, this is for east and west and north. So like if you're on a boat. Okay, you guys ready for the competition?
Let's separate them a little bit.
Mom,
Done.
I wish that one was the winner. That one's nice. This one stopped. I wish that one was
be?
I think it's gonna be the Norse one because don't stop it! Don't stop it!
And the winner.
No! Like and subscribe.